No? Now I have to find a squish value. Okay, so the rings are not on the pistons. Okay. I'm not going to put the gaskets on. I'm going to put everything on and torque it almost to spec. I'm not going to put this on either because I think this is a one-time torque deal, so I'm going to leave this off. And I'm going to see, what you need to see is the distance between this edge on the piston and this edge on the squish area. I forget what it's called. And how you can do that is you lay a piece of solder soft and it'll smash. I think I might need a thicker solder. And basically you put one on each side, you put a piece of solder across and then put the head on and torque it down and it'll smash in these areas. And then you measure it with a micrometer or a caliper. And but you want to put it on these edges, not these edges, because these twist and move. You have more rigidity going this way, and you don't want to do one side because it'll twist a little bit, just a little bit to throw off the reading. So you want to put it all the way across, or one on each side. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do, because this was shaved. So there's definitely material off here. It was rebuilt before, so I don't know if this was shaved before or not. Shaved here, it can be shaved here, it can be shaved here, it can be shaved here. You lose space. You gain compression, but you only want so much compression. You gain some power, but I want reliability. And I want to get the maximum power I can with reliability. So I'm going to go ahead and check the squish. Let's get squishy. As you see here, as you turn the crank, the pistons top out, top dead center. It's like right there, okay? There's definitely some space. So I don't have to worry about screwing something up when I'm crushing this. Basically what I'll do is, I won't even use these bolts, I don't think. I think I'll just torque these four down and take the measurement. But yeah, I have to find out what value I need and then put a gasket on accordingly. I'll probably go slightly bigger than I need. Found some solder. I had some actually. So let me break a piece of solder off here. Okay. Solder's pretty soft. So like you want it to span all the way across here, right? Let me clip it. There it is. You want it to span all the way across. I want to be pretty centered there. And this is, how thick is this? 118 thousandths? 3 millimeter? Yeah, so this should be good, I believe. Yeah, so now I'm gonna put this on. You see it there, right? Edge to edge. This way, not where the piston rocks. Piston doesn't rock this way as much. Boom. Put that on. solder's in there. This is just about torqued down. I have to spin this to crush the solder. We put a wrench on that. I don't know what size it is. There we go. Boom, there it is. I should have crushed it. So you know, I use 3mm solder. And this is lead free, I believe, for plumbing. Let's take this off. Oh, shit. Same sort of sequence. Gradually. Head off. Solder up. Boom. Look at that. It's smashed. These ones are pretty accurate. These are gauges from the micrometer that I have. You know, I have to zero it out. This is 50mm. And there it is. So once I got those gauges, I trust it. I'll measure with both. But as you see, it's smashed. So now I can measure. 2.27, 2.25, 2.2. Well, I guess what I'll do is I'll take the smallest measurement I could find on here and go from there. First, So the first attempt gave me 2.12mm, which is pretty much too big. So I'm going to put all the bolts in there and torque them down to 25 pounds, and I'm going to do both sides because I want an accurate reading. So that's what I'm going to do next. Let's see, spin it twice. There's once. Here's the other one. Okay. Okay, took it back off. Got these smashed. They look about the same. Look about the same, so I don't know, maybe I'll have the head shaved or something. Put this here. I don't want any crap inside the engine. So I'll put these here and then plastic on top. Like so. Okay, also I found that one of these bolt holes is stripped pretty bad. I was able to screw it in there pretty easily. There was some tension. I knew I'd have to attend to it, but taking it out, it took some aluminum with it. So I'm going to rethread that sucker. Helix coil if necessary. But at this point here, My main concern is these. This is the original. I'm going to bend it like this so I know it's original. Last time we got 2.12. Now I'm going to have 2.06. 2.13, 2.04. Oh, 1.91, 1.85, 1.93, 1.8. That's better. 1.76. Okay. I'll measure them in a few spots and take an average, or the smallest measurement. I don't think I'm gonna go too close to the edge because that's where I cut it and it was pre-smashed. So I'm gonna go in a little bit. But I'll take those numbers and I'll decide what head gasket I'm gonna put in there. It's probably the thinnest one, unless I go get the head shaved. And I don't think I want to go through all that, but we'll see.